In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a PDF document directly using Gemini AI. No extra software needed, which is perfect for reports, resumes, guides, or any written document. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to your Google Chrome store, and then on the search bar, I want you to search for the AI chat keyword PDF and Google Docs. Now, this extension, once you found it, I want you to click the Add to Chrome. Because if you do, as you may notice, it can convert the Gemini content into a Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and of course to a PDF in a single click. All I have to do is click the Add extension. Okay? Once it's added, you would see something like this. And all I have to do now is hover back to your Google Gemini. Let's say, for example, refresh this for now so that we can see the extension and the tools. That should appear here on the top corner. As you can see, it can now create an entire conversation to Google Docs, to Microsoft Word and PDF. Now, I'm gonna type this again, this prompt right here. I'm gonna press enter, copy the prompt, press enter. Once it's fully loaded, all I have to do is super simple, click the export the entire conversation as a PDF file. Click on it and save it to your computer. And that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.